Don't you just hate when your friends randomly spill water on you?
My friends keep randomly spilling water on me.
Then you need ShamWow. Because you know what? It gets all of that lovely moisture off.
It's still wet.
Most of that lovely moisture off.
That's not most of it.
Anyway, don't you just hate when your friends randomly punch you in the face?
My friends keep randomly punching me in the face.
Then you need Shampoo again because it gets most of that nasty blood off of your face. You see, most of it, just
It's still bloody.
forget all of that because you know what? It is so strong. Do you see this? Do you see how strong this is? What can this product do?